Do you understand English, but still feel nervous when you speak? You know the words, you know the grammar, but when it's time to talk, your mind goes blank. That's because English is not about rules. It's about phrases. In this episode, you will learn 25 everyday English phrases that native speakers use naturally every single day. This is FluentHub English. Let's begin. Sometimes, you don't understand what someone says, and that's okay. Here is how native speakers handle that. Could you repeat that, please? This is polite and respectful. You can use it anywhere: school, work, or daily life. If repetition is not enough, could you explain that? This shows interest, not weakness. Another natural phrase is, "I'm not sure I understand." This sounds polite and mature. It keeps the conversation calm. And when something is unclear, "What do you mean?" Simple, direct, natural. Finally, can you give an example? Examples make English easier. They turn confusion into understanding. Now that you can understand better, let's talk about agreement. Agreement builds connection. Here's how to do it naturally. I agree. Short, clear, very common. Another option is, that's true. This shows you are listening. When you want to sound thoughtful, I see what you mean. This phrase is very powerful. It shows respect. But disagreement is also normal. I'm not sure about that. This is polite disagreement, not rude. Or simply, I don't think so. Casual, honest, common. Next, let's make requests politely. Politeness makes your English sound fluent. Could you help me? This is one of the most useful phrases you will ever learn. For extra politeness, would you mind? This is perfect for professional situations. When someone asks you, "Sure, no problem." Friendly, positive, natural. To accept ideas. That sounds good. And when you need time, I'll think about it. Finally, let's end conversations politely. Ending a conversation well is just as important as starting it. It was nice talking to you. Polite and friendly. I have to go now. Clear and respectful. Let's talk later. Casual and warm. Take care. Kind and natural. See you soon. Ending a conversation well is just as important as starting it. It was nice talking to you. Polite and friendly. I have to go now. Clear and respectful. Let's talk later. Casual and warm. Take care. Kind and natural. See you soon. You've just learned 25 everyday English phrases. Don't memorize them. Use them. Practice them. Make them part of your life. This was episode 1 of FluentHub English. Subscribe for the next episode and keep learning one phrase at a time.